Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Premier Yarns channel. I'm Liz, and today I'll show you a few basic knots to get you started with macrame. You don't need a lot of supplies. You'll need some fiber and some very sharp scissors. To demonstrate the knots, I'm using this clothing rack, a couple hooks, and a wooden dowel. But you may need a few different items depending on what your project is. You can make so many different projects with macrame. You can make wall hangings, pillow covers, jewelry, baskets, bags, plant hangers. You have lots of possibilities. We carry two types of macrame fiber at Premier Yarns, and these are both a cotton polyester blend, very strong and sturdy, which is what you need for your macrame projects. You need a nice, smooth, like not stretchy type of fiber to really show the detail of the knots and keep them together. So this is the String Macrame, which is a 1-ply. And this is the rope, which is a 2-ply. And both of these are great options for macrame projects as well as macro weave or other weaving type of projects. Today I'll show you 3 simple knots. We're going to work on the Lark's head knot, the Double Half Hitch Knot, which is also called the Clove Hitch Knot, and the Square Knot. So let's get started with the Lark's head knot. To make a Lark's head knot, just cut a long strand of the string macrame that I'm using here, and I'm just going to fold that in half. You want to make sure your ends are even, like that, and then the top part, you'll form a loop where you made the fold. Take that loop and place it from the front to the back over the dowel. Now you've got that loop that drops to the back, and you can take